Hey guys, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. It's Isabella, and today I'm sharing a little clip from an interview we did with Ronnie. He's a fellow YouTuber and Uber driver. All his links will be down below, but before we get started, I wanted to give a huge shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is a company that gives you a tablet completely for free to put in the back of your car if you're an Uber or Lyft driver. Riders can play games on there, and in turn you can get up to an extra $100 per month, so I definitely recommend getting one. If you are interested, we have a link down below for that, so be sure to check out Play Octopus. Anyways, let's get into the video.
Do you have any other tips for drivers or just like people in general?
Yeah. I would highly recommend everybody to try to drive 84 hours. Attempt it. No, fuck attempt it. Do it. Do it at least for a month. Do it for a week. Then try to do it for a month. And the reason why I say do that is because you have to push yourself, especially doing this. Like I said, you don't have the luxury to be complacent, and doing this, you're gonna have to work. And that's just how it is. Like, I'm not gonna sugarcoat nothing like, oh, it's gonna be super easy. I mean, it's easy because the only thing you're doing is driving and you putting the time in. But people are not in control of their emotions. So I would try to recommend, doing the 12 hours a day for at least a week. And the reason why you want to do that, because you want to prove to yourself that you are capable, that you can become competent. Put the maximum hours in so you can see what's the true earning potential of your market. That's the only way it can be done. And that's what I did, like in 2019. Cause I remember what's it? Yeah. At the beginning of 2019, when we was getting our 2018 like 1099 back, I'm just looking at it. I'm like, damn, I grossed like 80 and I net like 60. I'm like, damn, I was just bullshitting. I'm like, I know I could do better than this. So then like the following week, I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna drive 12 hours a day for like as many days as possible for this month. I used to call it like 30-day challenges, and the lowest I ever done was like 26 out of 30 days, driving 12 hours. And that's when I start to learn like the market, the true earning potentials. I'm out there on holidays. So people always have opinions. People try to hypothesize their markets, and like, but most people don't really know nothing because they never really put the work in. And the
Yeah.
more and the more work you put in, even when it's slow, you will start to learn things. You will collect information, but they don't look at it like that. You want to just collect information and data for yourself. Then you can have your confidence up. So I know if I take like a week off or a few days off, I could get back out there and still make $2,000. Why? Because I put the work in. And people often ask me, "Oh, I live in Arizona. Or I live in this city or state. Can I make $2,000?" I'm like, I don't know. I don't live there. Put the work in. I think most people know what they have to do. They just choose not to do it.